We all know it ain't wise to fly your drone in 30 to 40 mile an hour winds. But this was our last day in Maui, so we made the most of it. When the wind started to pull her away, I realized it was probably a better bet to go upwind. Even though the waters were rough, the wildlife was still out, and the visibility was pretty darn good. Wrestling around with this wind for a while, I realized it was time to bring it back. Riding like Bob Seger against the wind. Almost there. Gotta get this thing on the ground. Since this was a work trip, I got up extra early that morning so I could catch the sunrise. With 780 rooms and over 40 acres of property, the Waldorf Astoria Grand Wailea is the second largest resort hotel in all of Hawaii, second only to another Hilton-owned property, Hawaiian Village, Waikiki Beach. During the 2 weeks I spent working there, this was always my favorite time of day. I also heard about a lot of drone incidents. One fella crashed his drone into a palm tree, which got turned in by a guest, and another guest reported people flying in front of their patios looking into their rooms. As a result, people are no longer allowed to fly drones on property. But you know, if people follow the FAA laws, local state guidelines, and respect their neighbors, we might be able to just keep bringing you more awesomeness. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Have a great day.